DataSymbol Web SDK is a leading-edge technology for barcode decoding in a web browser. If you want to be able to scan barcodes, you don't need to write a native application for each platform or install any app on your device. Our technology works just like HTML and JavaScript, but it's almost as fast as a native app. All the modern browsers support this technology. Now you can easily enable barcode decoding on any website, which would be difficult to do without using it technology. It creates great opportunities. For example, take a look at these test apps. A visitor can place an order directly on the website by scanning a barcode or a discount coupon.